Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green beans in a pot. First, let's talk about your container. For bush beans, select a pot that is at least 8 inches deep and 12 inches wide. This provides ample space for root development. Crucially, ensure your chosen pot has good drainage holes to prevent water from accumulating, which can harm your plants. Finally, place your pot in a spot that receives 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day for optimal growth. Now, let's prepare the soil and plant our seeds. Use a high-quality potting mix specifically designed for containers. Avoid using heavy garden soil. Fill your pot to about 1 inch below the rim. Plant your green bean seeds 1 inch deep and approximately 3 inches apart. If planting pole beans, you'll need a trellis or support structure. After planting, give your pot a good, thorough watering to help settle the soil around the newly placed seeds. Proper watering and feeding are crucial for healthy green bean plants. Keep the soil consistently moist but never waterlogged. Check the soil moisture daily by feeling the top inch. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Every 2 to 3 weeks, feed your plants with a balanced liquid fertilizer, following the product's instructions. Remember, consistent moisture is key, but too much water can be detrimental, leading to issues like root rot. Finally, let's discuss support and harvesting your delicious green beans. If you're growing pole bean varieties, install a trellis or stake early on to give them something to climb. For both bush and pole beans, begin harvesting when the pods are firm, tender, and typically 4 to 6 inches long. Picking regularly, every 2 to 3 days, encourages the plant to produce more beans, ensuring a continuous harvest throughout the growing season.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.